Takeho, Claritism, Enlightened Industrial Revolution. Let's begin with the Missile8964 hardware reference design. It decentralizes hardware manufacturing of hardware products to every nation and create technology jobs locally. We will get rid of centralized assembly sweatshops once and for all, and will no longer be buying complete products shipped around Earth. The outer shells are 3D printed or manufactured by CNC machines. This will allow raw materials to be refined and used locally without shipping it anywhere else. We will no longer be wasting materials on diddly squat innovations in industrial designs. And we'll finally have a realistic way to manifest universal equality and global OLPC. There are two parts to the software. The foundation is the NTC8964 Linux distro. The OS blocks unwanted and unnecessary network packets on the OS level. The OS lives on removable drives so that it can be removed instantly and physically when under attack or is compromised. This OS will not allow any biometrics. Instead, it will work with Sutasha technology that incorporates physical passwords and physical encryption for better cybersecurity. The next component is the Sosumi8964 browser. The most significant paradigm shift is the introduction of a charity layer between advertisers and audiences. This mechanism allows something called sponsor anarchy. Within this browser, we remove all scripting language interpreters so that no websites can collect privacy data and act unethically, and return the World Wide Web to what it is supposed to be, a data presentation tool. The browser enables direct selling of products from manufacturing companies and individuals to target audiences, so that it removes the middleman companies like Amazon, iTunes, Spotify, and Netflix. This paradigm shift in interaction would enable any locale to protect themselves with advertising avenue directly channeled to local needs. That's why we call it sponsored anarchy, because this browser is built on distributed network. There will be no censorship of any kind. That's why we call it the Lennon Wall metaphor. The environmental impacts of what's proposed here. The hardware reference design allows all PCBs to be made locally and only need to be shipped within the country by a small 8.5 times 5.5 times whatever height in centimeters, and they would only need minimal protection material. The casings and mechanical parts are 3D printed with local raw resources, so you use whatever you got locally. If you have bamboo, use bamboo. If you have gold, use gold. Whatever is cheaper locally. This would put a stop to international shipping of big packages where most materials shipped are for the purpose of making the product look new when it arrives in consumers' hand. The design also drastically reduces recycling because almost everything is reusable. This design introduces a new concept called respank products. Instead of brand spanking new, respect products are intermixed with new and used parts. This provides us with a realistic way to repair and heal Earth. This is why we call it an Enlightened Industrial Revolution, because it allows a worldwide reset. It's only fair that technology jobs is made available to every nation on Earth. The bare minimum of what every nation needs is one PCB machine, one SMT machine, and many 3D printers or CNC machines located strategically. It is important to note that the key for Claritism to succeed is for the world to come to a consensus that we should stop buying anything from China. Anything bought from them defeats the purpose of the reset. There are many safe countries to buy from. Basically, it's a case of whoever you trust. The list I made up here: raconteuria, Taiwan, Canada, Japan, South Korea, USA, Great Britain. These are countries who just want your money, not to get involved in your local politics and mess up your local economy. So there you have it. This is our invitation to the world. Join the cause. Assemble.